Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to save battery life on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Unlock your Samsung phone and open the Settings app. This app is your main hub for managing all aspects of your device, including apps, network connections, display settings, and more. Spending a few minutes here can make a big difference in battery performance. Step 2. Once you're in the menu, scroll down carefully and open the Notifications menu. From here, go to Notifications pop-up style and then access Edge lighting. Turn this feature off if you don't need flashy lighting notifications, as it consumes extra battery by constantly illuminating your screen. Step 3. Next, go back to Settings and scroll to the Display menu. Activate Dark Mode, which not only reduces eye strain, but also significantly lowers power consumption, especially on OLED screens, because dark pixels use less energy. Step 4. Adjust your phone brightness to a lower level, which immediately saves energy. After that, activate Adaptive Brightness, allowing your device to automatically adjust screen brightness based on ambient lighting. This feature optimizes battery usage without compromising visibility. Step 5. Open the Motion Smoothness menu and choose Standard Mode, then hit Apply. While higher refresh rates make animations smoother, they drain the battery faster, so Standard Mode is ideal for extended usage. Step 6. Navigate to Screen Timeout settings and set it to a shorter duration, like 1 or 2 minutes. This ensures your display turns off quickly when not in use, which prevents unnecessary battery drain. Step 7. Go back to Settings, scroll to Battery, and turn on Power Saving Mode. This mode limits background processes, reduces performance slightly, and extends battery life. Step 8. Open Battery Protection and turn it on. Set a charging limit to around 85% to preserve long-term battery health. Enable Auto Dim Screen, then check Charging Settings and activate Fast Charging to optimize both usage and charging efficiency. Step 9. Go to Lock Screen and AOD and turn off Always On Display. This prevents the screen from being constantly lit and consuming unnecessary power. Step 10. Finally, swipe down to the Quick panel and turn off features you don't use, like Bluetooth, location services, and Wi-Fi when unnecessary. By following all these steps carefully, you will have successfully saved battery life on your Samsung phone, ensuring longer usage between charges. This method combines smart display settings, battery management, and app optimization to maximize efficiency. Your phone will thank you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.